Now, the next one is called street join as vector. S vector here is a vector of strings, and S is just a character that's going to join the elements of the vector into a string. For example, here all the elements of SV are separated by commas. In here, they're all separated by the plus sign, and in here by the symbol greater than or equal. strlen produces the length or the number of characters of a string. For example, this one says north of Anchorage. The length of that string is equal to 18 characters. All of Alfonso Alemany was allowed has 35 characters. Us the people has 13 characters. Let it be has 9 characters. strrep means replace. We're going to replace the string 2 within string 1 with string 3. For example, if we use my string 1, all of Alfonso Alemany was allowed. And if I change all for many, I get many of Alfonso Alemany was many old, because the all gets replaced by many. If I use whatever I have al replaced by bal, we get ball of Alfonso Alemany was ball out. How about this one? There were 2 ducks, 2 cats, 2 deer, and replace the 2 with 3 or the 2 with many. String split, string 1, string 2 is saying split the components of string 1 every time that string 2 occurred. So for example, if I use the comma here to split my string, I get this vector of strings where the strings are A, B, B, my string, hello, 1, 2, 3. Here is I'm going to use the space, the blank space, as my divider, and so I get all the words in the statement all the time I walked. A string to lower takes all the uppercase letters and convert them to lowercase. In this second example, a few of them, like Peter and John's and Mark's, start with uppercase, so those letters get reduced to lowercase. A string to upper goes the other way around. All the lower cases get turned into uppercases. And in this case, the uppercase P, J, and M get carried over, and the rest of the characters are converted to uppercase. Substring, that means substitute string start. In the substring, actually, extract the string that starts a position start. For example, all the campers have returned home. It says, out of my string 1, subtract the string that begins at character 9 and finishes with whatever this string finishes. And so if I say the equal sign here, it starts at position 9, which is campers, and it will provide all the rest of the string down to the end of the string, the word home. Here I say, well, give me the string that begins at position 11 to the end of the string, and that will be many Peters and Johns and Marks. Now, there's another way to specify a substring, and that will be by indicating the name of the string or the string that you're going to extract, where, at what position you start the extraction, and how many characters, the length of the string that you're going to pull out of there. So I take campers have, which is 12 characters starting at position 9. Out of this string, if I start in position 17 with a length of 16, I extract the string Peters and Johns. You see first string capitalizes the first letter in a string argument. Now this one is not working. So it should capitalize every word in the string, but it's not working at this point. I think that's a glitch in the software and it needs to be fixed. Function variable to string. When you have a variable that has been loaded with some values, you can convert that to a string, and SMath Studio will decide how many decimals you will have. But you can also call it with a number of decimals that you want to to call it. So the same variables right here I'm reproducing down here. And now I put here with 0 decimals. I get 25 and the 0.2 is gone. This one has 2 decimals. This one has 10 decimals. This one has 2 decimals, 5 decimals, 5 decimals. We're going to present an example function program using the string functions in the next video. So, but for the moment, we finish with these string functions in SMath.